I'm so excited to share with you the Santa Mug Ornament. We are going to start off with the face, which is layered on top of the base mug, and we will add stitching and embroidery and beads and sequins, and we're going to stuff areas of the face as well, like the beard and the mustache and the hat band. So we will build that up flat, and then it will be constructed three-dimensionally into the cylinder shape by seaming it up the back. Then we are going to stuff it and add the cocoa on the top and create the handle, the side, and then we're going to add the little sweets on top. So we've got the peppermint stick and the marshmallows, and then lastly, if you'd like, you can add a hanger loop to hang on the tree, or you can leave that off and have it just sitting on the tabletop. So I hope you enjoy making this, and it's really fun, and it's definitely one of my favorites.